This is our CNC threading machine for Type 3 aluminum cylinder. This machine can process cylinder diameter from 300 to 630 millimeter, and the length can be from 800 to 2300 millimeter, or we can customize according to your cylinder size. And this machine have a rotation table which is able to process two sides automatically. And our machine has automated center positioning device which can make sure each tool is in the center of cylinder. And the other side is our tool storage table. We can store 24 tools. This machine working process is from the surface processing, hole drilling, and step processing, and boring the hole and threading.